Hey guys, if you are facing this type of annoying error and update is required to use the cellular data on this iPhone, then you are exactly at the right location because in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix this type of issue. So first of all, what you need to do is just here go back to your home screen, and then here are some couple of steps to resolve the problem. The very first thing you need to do is just enable here airplane mode, and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn back on, and then disable this airplane mode and check whether you have resolved your problem or not. Or if you are facing the problem again, then what you need to do is just eject your sim card from here, and then turn off your device, and then again reinsert your SIM card and check whether you have resolved your problem or not. And if the problem still exists, then go for the next method. For that, here in the settings menu, scroll it down here and tap on General, and now tap here on About. And from here, if any carrier update is available, you have to up to date here. A pop-up will be appear here. So after this, check whether you have solved your problem or not. And if the problem still exists there, what you need to do is just go for the next method. For that, again here in the settings menu, scroll it down and tap on general, and then tap here on software update. And from here, if you have any update here, you have to up to date your device to the latest version, and hopefully after this your problem will be resolved. And if the problem still isn't fixed, then here in the settings menu, what you need to do is just tap here on general, and then again scroll it down all the way here and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset. And from here you have to reset network settings. So give here your passcode, and then again tap here on reset network settings, and your network setting will be reset, returning them to factory default. And if there is a network error, your problem will be fixed. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the final one. For that, what you need to do is just go restore your device by press and releasing the combination of the keys according to your iPhone model, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.